Great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.